The senator from Eastern Fairfax County, Senator Surville.
Mr. President, I rise for an introduction.
Senator has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. Ladies and gentlemen of the Senate, joining us in the gallery today, we have our second wave of visitors from United Community Ministries in the Mount Vernon district, Mount Vernon part of Fairfax County. United Community Ministries is a wonderful charity in our community. They run a food bank. They provide assist job training. They provide a computer lab. They provide training to some of the most needy residents in the Route 1 corridor in Fairfax County. And joining us today, we have Christina Schoendorf leading the delegation, an old friend of my family, her daughter went to preschool with the first Senator Surville, who you all may remember from last year. She's also joined up there by Janet Smith, Joyce Williams, and Carmen Carcamo, who we also all need to congratulate, who just became a United States citizen, is going to be participating in her first election in about a week. So, Mr. President, if you could please extend to them the warm welcome to the Senate, I'd be greatly appreciated.
Thank you, Senator. Would members from the United Community Ministries please rise? Welcome today, and as the good senator from Eastern Fairfax County said, thank you for all the advocacy work, all the reaching out into the community that you all do to make all of our lives better. We appreciate you being with us today, and thanks for all your help. I would ask the members of the Senate to please join me in offering the warm welcome to the Senate, from the Senate to the United Community Ministries. Thank you all.